In Onshape, you can export 3D annotations from model-based definition or MBD with your parts in a part studio. Here I am in a part studio. It has two different parts. I have the inspection table open and I am looking at the different 3D annotations such as dimensions, datums, and geometric tolerances. I want to export this. One way that you can do that is by right-clicking on the tab in the document and then choosing Export. However, this will export both parts in the Part Studio. I just want to export one of the parts. I will go to the part in the parts list, then I will right-click on it. From the menu, I can choose Export. This opens up a dialog box. Right now, the format is set to inspection list. To export the 3D model with the model-based definition, I'm going to change the format to step. And then for the step type, you want to make sure that you're using AP242. That is the application protocol that supports 3D annotations with MBD. You can also choose Use Latest Version in order to have that selected. There's an option that you do want to have turned on in order to get your 3D annotations. You want to check the option for Export Models Oriented with Y-axis up. There is another option pertaining to the annotations, and that is to use Custom Annotation Text Height for MBD export. Here is the suggestion of using 4 millimeters. Let's say I want it a little bigger. Let's say I want to use 5 instead. And then as usual, you have your choice of options. I'm going to use download, but you can also choose download and store file in a new tab, email with file download link, or store file in a new tab. And now I'm happy with all the different settings in here. I will choose the export button. And now we have a note that the MBD model is being prepared for export. Here we are getting the notification that the export has been completed. Let's take a look at opening that in a different CAD platform. Here I am in Creo Parametric. I have another model open that was exported from Onshape with MBD. Let's bring in the one that I just exported. I will click on the Open button, and here in my Open dialog box, I already have it set to step files. This is the one that I just exported. I will choose the Import button. Here we have the Import New Model dialog box. I'm just going to check to make sure I'm using the right default template that I want to use in Creo. Everything else in here looks good. I will edit the name a little bit. Now let's call it MBD whole bar. And then I will choose the OK button. And here we have the model imported with the 3D annotations. Some of them I might need to turn the model around to see them in the correct orientation. But you can see all of the different 3D annotations came over, including various dimensions, datums, and geometric tolerances. So that's how you can export a part from Onshape with 3D annotations for MBD and then import it into another CAD platform.